Now, it's time for the Carnabys to meet their restored machine.
I never thought a digger would make me cry, but I'm afraid today that's happened, and that's because I'm linked to these guys. They're family. T C Harrison's has been in business since 1931, and we first came across the Carnabys in 1959, and we've been involved with selling machines to them ever since. Between Carnaby, JCB and T C Harrison, there's over 225 years of business trading, and that's just an incredible story in itself. And for all three businesses to be in the third generation now is just incredible.
You can see the person behind the name, whether it was his grandfather or even George. There's a family behind it, so they're putting care into it, and they want the products to be right.
It's just an incredible occasion, and to see it come to fruition and to be called Angela is just so touching, and will mean so much to so many of us, so it's incredible.
It's not been made to hide in a shed where people can't see it and appreciate it, what British engineering can do.
And knowing the family, this machine will be loved and cherished, just like it has been, and it will still be looking that good in many, many years to come, I assure you. And it's just been a privilege to be involved.